Hello everyone, this is how you make a aircraft in algoodo. First, you just make your aircraft. I'll make it look like this. Yeah, but you can look at anything. And then we go and copy and paste it. And then we give the other one boosters. You see, it can move now, but it's not attached. To fix that, we can select AI and then go in geometry action and press glue together. And then we also glue the sky. There. It's time to make a simple truck. Our truck will be a binomial circle and another circle inside. And another circle will be in the inside. But it's not real like one, but it's just that it still has collisions. So just press combine state and extract and delete it. Boom. I have a nice fish circle. Where did our character go? We can just make another one. Okay. And so we just have to go in here too. Do the background. And also position A. Now we'll just make this one and this one. Yeah, they'll do. Just give them a faster boost. And then we just zoom out and then put them in the truck. But not that other character because that's meant to be a player. Why nothing happening? I know. It needs more force. But to make it a bit fair, it doesn't have so much force. And this has no resolution and no friction. And also the AI. But only his body has no resolution and friction. Now let's test. Yeah, that's too fast. Just like 2.0. That's still too fast. First, this needs to be like that. It's running out of too much speed. Get up the ramp. Okay, that book has have no fiction and no resolution. Also, let's make you be able to control your character. Okay, where's the other keys? Oh yeah, it's in here. There. Make it a bit more faster. Whole fast thing. Perfect. And then you also can have no resolution and friction. So, let's try. Let's make them be able to go through each other. Okay. Collision layer. Instant A and B. This guy only has A. Yeah, that's correct. Can they move through each other? Yeah, I've got his head. That's weird. Okay, let's go back into collisions and make them only have collision layer B. There. Now let's test. Oh no. And let's just move your character. Let's just move your character. That needs to be a bit more faster. Like that. It's a 3. Let's change the booster fastener, like just that. So it's not impossible. Okay, now let's just rotate him. Yeah. I think he needs some friction. Yeah, he needs some friction. Just a bit friction. Like just like that. Much no friction. So yeah, needs no gravity. So slow them down. Also, its mass needs to be a bit more. So it's a bit more slow. There. That's how you make it. Hope you like this video. Bye bye guys.